Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Before we jump into today's video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of my future reviews and unboxings. Today, I am super excited to introduce you to the FERISING PD Powerbank 10,000 mAh. This portable external battery charger is a game changer when it comes to keeping your devices charged on the go. With its impressive 10,000 mAh capacity, you can rest assured that you will never run out of battery power while out and about. Whether you're traveling, hiking, or simply going about your day, this power bank has got you covered. But what sets the FERISING PD power bank apart from the rest is its cutting-edge technology. It comes equipped with USB Type-C and supports QC 4.0 and 3.0, ensuring that your devices charge at lightning-fast speeds without compromising on safety. Not to mention, it is compatible with a wide range of devices, including Xiaomi Mi power banks, making it the ideal choice for anyone who wants a reliable and versatile power bank. So, if you're tired of constantly worrying about your phone dying when you need it the most, I highly recommend investing in the FERISING PD Power Bank 10,000 mAh. Trust me, you won't regret it. You can find the link to purchase this amazing product in the description below. Don't miss out on the opportunity to upgrade your charging game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.